Let's sing our ABCs. A is for apple, shiny and red. Apple's yummy, that's what I said. B is for banana, long and sweet. Peel it and eat it, such a treat. C is for cat, it says meow. It loves to jump and climb somehow. D is for dog, friendly and quick. It wags its tail and plays a trick. E is for elephant, so big and tall. It has a trunk that can stay all. F is for fish, swimming around. It lives in the water without a sound. G is for giraffe, with a neck so high. It eats green leaves that grow in the sky. H is for horse, running fast, galloping strong till the day has passed. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a frozen treat we love to eat. J is for jaguar, spotted and fast. Through the jungle it runs so fast. K is for kite, flying up high. It dances and plays across the sky. L is for lion, king of the land. It rolls the jungle proud and grand. M is for monkey, singing in cheese. It jumps and plays with so much ease. N is for nest, safe and small, a home for birds, protecting all. O is for orange, juicy and round, full of flavor and sweetness found. P is for carrot, bright and bold. It tops and steams from dawn to cold. Q is for quail, tiny and shy. It runs on the ground, not in the sky. R is for rabbit, hopping with cheer. Its long ears listen to all it can hear. S is for strawberry, tasty and red. Sweet little berries we love to spread. Sing along from A to Z. The many letters, come learn with me. Every word is fun to say. Let's keep singing all the way. T is for tiger, strong and fast. It creeps through the jungle, silent to the last. U is for umbrella, keeping off rain. V is for van, driving along. It takes us place as we sing a song. Inside is red with feet to be seen. X is for X-ray, see through the bone. It shows our skeleton, skin and stone. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Z is for zebra stripes all